Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can protect your Excel file using the Encrypt document feature on your Microsoft Excel app. So, what you can do is just head over to File in the top left corner of the screen and then head over to Info, and then here you'll find Protect Workbook. Now, you need to do is click on Protect Workbook and click on Encrypt with Password. And what it does is this file cannot be accessed without any password. And now all we need to do now is write down a password that we want to use in order to encrypt the file, and be careful that the passwords are also case sensitive, that in case you forget about it, it cannot be recovered. It's not like Google where you can recover your passwords online. This is just an offline application, an offline file, so make sure to remember it properly. Alright, so let me just show you how it works. Alright, I'm just gonna reopen the file again through opening Excel. And we're just gonna click on the file, which is this one, this book 1. If we click on book 1 up here, it's gonna show up a pop-up. Let's wait. As you can see, book 1 XOSX is protected, and we need to write down a password. If we write down the wrong password, as you can see, the password you supplied is not correct, so it's not gonna pop up again. And you need to do is just exit the app, or just click on File and click on the file that you need to open again. And then at this point, you just write the right password, and then it should give you access to the file. As you can see, that is how you protect your Excel file with Encrypt document. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe with it. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.